Hi everybody, it is Sunday. I'm kicking off my outfit for today. What am I up to today? Went to the gym, came home, showered, have not eaten yet. We're going to take a drive to my mother-in-law's today. She's about an hour and 15 from us. It happens to be my daughter came down this weekend to actually stay with her because my daughter has off for the holiday tomorrow. So instead of my daughter coming all the way down here to our house, she made a pit stop and parked herself at my mother-in-law's house, so we figured we'd visit both of them at once. So today's outfit is inspired by Banana Republic. None of these items I got from Banana Republic, but I saw this look put together and I liked it, so I figured I'd recreate it myself. The blazer, circa 2018, so now we're talking, that's 2024, so 6 years now. It's just an ivory blazer, and underneath I have on a blue chambray top, also from White House Black Market. I'm also going to say circa 2019. The jeans are new. The jeans are from Stitch Fix. They're mother jeans that I got on sale. I think they were trying to get rid of them. They were like their last pair, and I got a deal. And thank you whoever used my referral link, because this is what I splurged on. So I got it. They were on sale, plus I used my referral credits. Got a great deal on them. The shoes I got from Stitch Fix. They're Sam Edelman. I got them, gosh, when did I get these? Last year. And yeah, this is my outfit for today. Take care and see you tomorrow for another day of styling. Hi everybody, it is Monday, President's Day, and I actually have off today, which is wonderful. I slept a little bit later this morning, went to the gym, did my food shopping, came home, took care of the bunny's cage, which is more like a castle. I then prepped my peppers, had my breakfast, and now I am going to vacuum and Swiffer the basement. What am I wearing for that exciting event? Well, I will be taking off my shoes for it because my shoes are new and I don't need to be walking around my basement Swiffering in them. I am wearing this LA made elevated t-shirt that I got from, I believe, either directly from Ever Eve or from a Trendsend several years ago. I still think it's in style. It's got the banded cuff here, so it's got the balloon sleeve. It has ever so slightly of a puff with a little bit of pleating up there, and it's just a black and white stripe. With them, I have paired my loft, like cognac / nutmeg colored faux leather pants, and I got my new black shoes on by Franco Sardo that I kept from my Stitch Fix. They're like a little tiny bit of a kitten heel, pointy toe. And believe it or not, people look at this and say, oh, how could they be comfortable? They're actually very comfortable. And this is my outfit for today. Take care and see you tomorrow for another day of styling. Hi everybody, it's about 7:20 in the morning on Tuesday, and this is my outfit of the day video. Yes, I went to the gym this morning, came home, took care of the bunny, ate my breakfast, showered, here I am. This outfit was inspired by Ever Eve, even though not a thing came from Ever Eve. I often look at websites and go, ooh, I like that. And I try and say, Carolyn, do you already own this? I really try hard not to buy things that are similar in style or color to what I already own. So what am I wearing? I am wearing these loft jeans. They're the wide leg with a cuff that are really on trend now. And I'm really enjoying these looser leg styles after having such a tight leg for so long. With it, I have paired my brand new, I wore them yesterday for like an hour, my Franco Sardo kitten heels. And the reason I only wore them an hour yesterday is because I was home and my feet were cold and the slippers came on. With it, I have paired this bodysuit. I believe it's by Leith, I think. I'm not even 100% sure. I got it from Nordstrom, I think Trunk Club, several years ago. If you don't own the bodysuit and you're contemplating that you need one, I would recommend like one like this one, like a black thin one that can be layered under things, because every so often you need that form-fitting top. I'm not a huge bodysuit person. It's the only one I own. But the times that like I wanted to recreate a look, it has come in handy. So I would recommend, it doesn't take up much space to grab a bodysuit if you think you might need one, if you're ever trying to put it together outfits. And with it, I have paired my Prosperity black coated jacket that I got from a Stitch Fix, or maybe I think I got it from Freestyle, probably a year and a half ago. And yeah, this is my outfit for today. I'm happy to recreate it and not spend any money. Take care and see you tomorrow for another day of styling. Hi everybody, it is Wednesday already. I like these shortened weeks. So what am I doing today? I actually am not jumping online from work. I actually have a doctor's appointment this morning that I need to go to. Should be back around 9:30. It's right now 10 to 8. I did not go to the gym today. Today was a well-deserved rest day for me, although I was still up at 4 a.m. That is just my schedule. Asleep by 8, up by 4. What am I wearing today? So this outfit was inspired by Evereat. Maybe not the exact thing, but they had the vest, the denim jacket, and I think a tan pair of pants, and I like the look. And I have the vest from Evereat already. The jacket is from Liverpool that I got in a mix and match box for dirt cheap, maybe like 20 bucks when they were going out of business. And got my fair use out of this little blazer. So it's just a denim blazer. And with it, I have paired my level 99. I think they're a viscose and linen blend, not 100% sure. They're soft and comfortable. They're not the stiff and scratchy, although they do wrinkle, as you can see, quite a bit. Pants in this like taupey kind of color. I got these from Poshmark. So I don't always spend a ton of money on my clothes. When I get things from Poshmark, I spend under $30, but I only buy things new with tags and brands I know that work well for me. And with it, I paired my Chanel-inspired heels. I believe these are by Anne Klein. I got them at Macy's back in the early fall, or actually late summer. And this is my outfit for today. Take care and see you tomorrow for another day of styling. Hi everybody, it is Thursday evening and I actually had to go to the office today. There was a sales kickoff meeting, all the sales leaders and a lot of the sales teams were there. So it behooved me to make myself present. So what am I wearing today? Today I wore this loft dress that I probably got 2018, 2019, because I kind of recall wearing this in the office back then. It is a true wrap dress. I have on underneath a cami because I didn't want it to be, kind of professional. I have on a pair of black tights, and I have on my, I believe these are Vince Camuto knee-high boots that I got this fall. Let me come in a little bit closer so you can see the details of this. I like this. It's floral, but you see how it gradually becomes more of like a floral print when you get down here. This is a cute dress, and I just don't wear dresses that much because I work from home. So glad I was able to dust it out of the closet. Take care and see you tomorrow for another day of styling. Hi everyone, it's Friday. Okay, I am so psyched it's Friday because next week is my last week before vacation. Last 2 nights I slept awful. Yesterday I had to go into work. I got lots of things going on in my mind. Today I got up 4:15, went to the gym. It was an endurance, 2 blocks, run 10.5 minutes for distance, and I was booking it. I did really well in that first block, and then we were supposed to match or beat your distance in the second block, which was a timed 2.5 minute. You push yourself, and then you go back to a base for about a minute. Yeah, I couldn't do that. I did not match or beat my distance. I petered out. I was pooped. So, went to my nutritionist, down a little bit, which is great. So I'm finally starting to see a little bit of progress. I know I don't have much to lose. You're looking at me going, Carolyn, you're wearing a 0. What are you thinking? I do have a little bits and pieces, a little bit of rolls here in the back, that little stuff, just teeny little things that I would like to reduce and look my best for the cruise. What am I wearing today? Oh, I came home, fed the bunny, took care of his cages and everything, washed my hands. Here I am, stomach is growling, and I'm rambling on. I am wearing this purple blouse. I'll come a little bit closer. It has like velvet raised, if you can see. It's very subtle. If you stand back, you don't see it as much. Blouse, it has sheer sleeves, and it has a cami on the inside matching, and it has a banded bottom. White House Black Market, probably circa 2018. With it, I have paired my black Evereat jeans that I ordered directly from them. I actually originally got them in a box from Trendsend, but they were just too pricey, and I just waited for a sale. And with it, I have paired my Vince Camuto. These are my lower calf Vince Camuto. So I have a lot of Vince Camuto shoes, apparently boots. I have a pair that are like literally ankle length, that are more like a shooty. I have high ones, and then I have these, which are kind of in between. And yeah, this is my outfit for today. Take care and see you tomorrow for another day's styling. Hi everybody. So today's outfit is complete polar opposite what I was going to originally wear. I went to the gym this morning, went food shopping, came home and took care of the bunny, took my shower, and it is cold, damp, and rainy out. I was originally going to wear my denim dress and a nice cool pair of suede boots, but the rain would destroy all that and I'd be freezing, and I actually have to run around and do some errands today. I have a coupon for Victoria's Secret. I want to get a new sports bra with that. I saw that Soma has their Vanishing Edge undies on sale. If my store, I know they're on sale online. I'm not sure if they're in sale in the store, but they are. I'm going to pick up some. And I need to be running around and doing things like that. I'm going to come home and have lunch with my husband at the diner. But other than that, nothing really exciting. 4:30 today, I'm getting a hair appointment. So if those of you have been noticing I need my hair done, yes, I do. So what am I wearing for running around? I am wearing a black Target t-shirt, long sleeve tee. Nice and soft, comfortable tee. Universal threads, I believe. I have like a Stitch Fix cardigan. I think this might be pink or pink clover, not sure, in this dark olive green. With it, I have paired a pair of leggings by Spanx. They're camo leggings that I got from JB Style Box a while ago. And with it, I have paired my white Gola sneakers. And yes, I'm on the hunt for some black stylish sneakers because I really don't think this looks good together. Not arguing with you guys. You're like, oh, what an awful outfit. Listen, sometimes you can't always be our best dressed, and I need to run around and do errands today. All right, take care and see you. Will you see me next week? Yes, see you next week for another week of styling.